at the North Pole, it's near the South Pole where some serious scientific action has been taking place.
The hardy Weddell seals have carved out their habitat in this stark wilderness where trees do not grow.
Off the coast of Antarctica, deep underwater, researchers have discovered the British ship called Endurance.
These resilient creatures brave the depths of icy waters, relying on Earth's magnetic field to navigate through dense ice in pursuit of air. Their survival instincts are remarkable. Yet amidst this expansive, tranquil cold, what other enigmas await discovery? What secrets lie beyond the icy veil, waiting to be unveiled through footage beyond the ice wall? And now, in a stunning revelation, a drone flew over the ice wall of Antarctica and captured the most shocking footage ever. Tales from Antarctica's frozen frontier. Antarctica, a continent veiled in ice and solitude, hosts a diverse array of life that challenges its formidable exterior. Among its inhabitants, perhaps none are as captivating as the Weddell seals, affectionately dubbed the ocean's puppies for their charming appearance. Despite their seemingly simple demeanor, these seals are marvels of adaptation and survival, as numerous studies have unveiled. Weddell seals, sleek predators of the Antarctic seas, demonstrate extraordinary abilities in their quest for survival. They plunge more than 2,000 feet into the frigid depths, skillfully holding their breath for over an hour while hunting their prey. What sets them apart, however, is their adeptness at locating air holes in thick, unforgiving ice. This skill isn't merely for their own survival. It's crucial for securing meals in Antarctica's challenging environment. Scientific exploration, supported by the National Science Foundation, has uncovered groundbreaking insights into Weddell seals. Researchers have discovered that these seals possess an innate internal compass aligned with Earth's magnetic fields. This natural GPS system enables them to navigate with precision through their icy surroundings, underscoring their intelligence and resilience in adapting to Antarctica's extreme conditions. The newfound understanding of Weddell seals reshapes our perception of animal intelligence and resilience. It highlights that life can thrive even in the planet's most extreme environments. Antarctica, often perceived as a barren expanse of ice, teems with life and mysteries that rival any tropical rainforest or vibrant coral reef in their complexity and adaptation strategies. In the expansive Weddell Sea, scientists have made significant discoveries that further illuminate Antarctica's ecological richness. During explorations of its frigid waters, researchers encountered an extensive community of ice fish spanning an area equivalent to the size of Malta. This massive colony, estimated to harbor approximately 60 million individuals, offers unprecedented insights into the region's ecosystem dynamics. These ice fish exhibit remarkable behaviors, constructing meticulously crafted nests that serve as vital sanctuaries against predators and Antarctic currents. Their dedication to safeguarding offspring is extraordinary, considering the severe challenges posed by the freezing Antarctic waters. Adapted with clear blood and specialized antifreeze proteins, these resilient fish defy the odds, surviving in temperatures lethal to most marine life forms. Beyond their biological marvels, the untouched marine ecosystem in the Weddell Sea underscores its critical importance for global biodiversity conservation efforts. Protecting and understanding this unique habitat is essential for developing effective strategies to safeguard Earth's last pristine marine environments. Antarctica's extremes nurture a diverse array of creatures, each finely tuned to endure its harsh and icy environment. From the unconventional body structures of Antarctic sea spiders to microscopic yet indomitable tardigrades capable of surviving space's vacuum, these inhabitants embody resilience in their purest form. In the depths of Antarctic waters, giant sea sponges thrive in darkness, subsisting on meager food particles carried by sluggish underwater currents. Their ability to adapt and thrive amidst such sparse conditions showcases nature's incredible capacity for resilience and adaptation strategies honed over millennia. The colossal squid, an enigmatic giant of Antarctic waters, symbolizes the vast and unexplored realms awaiting discovery. Amidst this frozen wilderness, emperor penguins reign as regal figures of the Antarctic realm. Towering and resilient, they orchestrate complex breeding rituals amidst the harshest Antarctic winters, exemplifying the fortitude necessary to thrive in Earth's most extreme environments. As day fades into dusk over the icy horizon, skilled hunters emerge, embodying the indomitable spirit that defines existence in the Antarctic seas. These hunters navigate the icy waters with finesse, capturing prey and navigating challenges that test their resilience and prowess in this harsh and unforgiving environment. Antarctica, with its stark beauty and hidden complexities, remains a frontier of discovery and wonder. Its inhabitants, from the Weddell seals to the resilient ice fish and majestic emperor penguins, offer insights into adaptation, survival, and the interconnectedness of life in one of the world's most extreme environments. Each species thriving in Antarctica tells a tale of astonishing adaptation and survival, showcasing the resilience of life on our planet's most extreme and secluded continent. The rare meteorites in the ice. In a gripping discovery in 2023, an international team of researchers embarked on an expedition in Antarctica, uncovering a trove of 5 new meteorites. Among them was a colossal find weighing in at 17 pounds, comparable to the size of a cantaloupe, marking it as one of the largest ever recorded on the continent. While its composition may seem ordinary, its immense size makes it a rare find indeed. Such large meteorites are exceedingly scarce, with fewer than 100 similar dimensions documented across Antarctica. These celestial fragments are invaluable not just for their size, but for the profound insights they offer into the composition and history of celestial bodies beyond Earth. Antarctica's expansive white ice fields serve as ideal canvases for spotting these meteorites. The stark contrast between the ice's brilliance and the meteorites' dark hues makes them relatively easy to locate and study. This unique characteristic of Antarctica has transformed it into a locale for collecting extraterrestrial materials, with each discovery contributing significantly to our comprehension of the universe beyond our planetary borders. However, Antarctica's significance extends far beyond its role as a repository for space debris. Its frigid, arid climate ensures exceptional preservation conditions for meteorites, transforming it into a veritable treasure trove for scientists. These extraterrestrial relics, encased in ice for millennia, offer vital clues about the history and composition of our solar system. Slowly but steadily, glaciers transport these meteorites to the surface, where eager researchers await each expedition in hopes of unearthing larger and more extraordinary specimens scattered across this frozen expanse. The top-tier predators of the icy ocean. Leopard seals reign as the formidable hunters of the Antarctic seas, celebrated for their unparalleled speed and strength. As apex predators, they command the icy waters, preying on fish, squid, and occasionally even other seals. They are the second largest seals in the Antarctic after the southern elephant seal, with adult males typically reaching lengths of 2.4 to 3.5 meters and weighing 200 to 600 kilograms, while females are slightly larger. These seals are known for their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies and distinctive spotted coats, which range from silver gray to black with dark spots and markings. Their long, muscular bodies and powerful jaws equipped with long, sharp teeth make them formidable hunters. Leopard seals are highly skilled and opportunistic predators, preying on a variety of marine species, including fish, squid, krill, and occasionally penguins and other seals. They use their sharp teeth and strong jaws to grasp and tear apart prey. They are known for their speed and agility in the water, capable of reaching speeds up to 37 kilometers per hour and leaping out of the water to catch birds or seals on ice floes. These seals are solitary animals for most of the year, typically only coming together during the breeding season. Females give birth to a single pup on floating ice floes, which they nurse for about 4 to 6 weeks before weaning. Leopard seals play a crucial role in the Antarctic marine ecosystem as top predators, helping to regulate populations of prey species and contributing to the overall balance of the food web. They are also important subjects of scientific study, providing insights into predator-prey dynamics, marine ecology, and the impacts of climate change on Antarctic wildlife. In recent years, researchers have been particularly interested in understanding how leopard seals are adapting to changing environmental conditions in the Antarctic, including shifts in sea ice dynamics and prey availability. Among Antarctica's predators also stands the colossal squid, renowned for possessing the largest eyes of any creature on Earth, each comparable in size to a dinner plate. These immense optical organs facilitate vision in the deep, murky Southern Ocean depths where the squid thrives. Scientists remain captivated by this colossal invertebrate, diligently studying its imposing stature and survival strategies. The colossal squid, measuring an impressive 46 feet in length, stands as a marvel of the ocean depths, with some speculating it may grow even larger. In contrast to its cousin, the giant squid, which has only suckered tentacles, the colossal squid's tentacles feature sharp hooks perfectly suited for capturing large prey, such as the Patagonian toothfish. Another distinguishing feature is its colossal beak, the largest of any squid species, designed to tear substantial chunks from its quarry. These attributes collectively cement its reputation as a formidable ambush predator. However, the most chilling aspect of the colossal squid lies in its preference for the abyssal depths, shunning the ocean's surface for habitats plunging up to 7,200 feet below. This strategic choice affords the colossal squid refuge from most threats, except its primary predator, the sperm whale. Curiously, battle scars on some sperm whales testify to their epic encounters with these deep-sea giants. Believed to be solitary hunters, colossal squids rely on stealth and surprise to secure their prey. Their preference for the profound depths and their rarity in human sightings have prompted specialized research missions aimed at unraveling the enigmatic lifestyle of this colossal creature. The icy demise of Endurance. The discovery of Ernest Shackleton's Endurance ship at the bottom of Antarctica's Weddell Sea evokes memories of a harrowing expedition during which men faced entrapment, starvation, freezing temperatures, turbulent seas, and near madness. Despite their relentless efforts, employing picks and saws to carve through the ice, the crew of the Endurance found themselves trapped by January 1915. As the Antarctic winter set in, the ship was ensnared by crushing ice that inexorably tore through its hull. For months, the crew braved the brutal conditions aboard their frozen prison, holding out hope for a thaw that never materialized. Finally, on October 27, 1915, Shackleton faced the grim reality of abandoning the Endurance as the ice relentlessly crushed it, consigning the vessel to the depths of the sea. In 2007, nearly a century after Shackleton's famed expedition, an astonishing discovery was made beneath Cape Royds. Encased in ice were 5 crates, not filled with provisions, but containing alcoholic beverages. 3 crates of McKinley's rare old Highland malt whiskey and 2 of brandy. This discovery held historical significance and underscored the harsh conditions endured by early Antarctic explorers. It highlights that although alcohol can offer temporary warmth, it provides little defense against the harsh Antarctic cold, exposing the harsh realities encountered by those who explored this unforgiving environment. The story of the recovered whiskey crates unfolds with intrigue. Carefully excavated and transported to New Zealand, the crates were thawed under controlled conditions, revealing 11 perfectly preserved bottles of whiskey wrapped in their original paper and straw. Analyzed meticulously by experts, the whiskey was recreated by the Scotch Whisky Research Institute, allowing people today to savor a taste of history with McKinley's rare old Highland malt. Its popularity led to the creation of a second batch named The Journey, echoing the enduring allure of Antarctic exploration. The loneliest ATM. Did you know there's an ATM at the South Pole? It stands as perhaps the loneliest ATM in the world, braving the freezing cold in stark solitude. Despite lacking permanent residence or a formal government, Antarctica welcomes between 1,000 to 5,000 visitors annually, depending on the season. This quirky yet intriguing machine at the South Pole serves as a vivid reminder of human presence in one of the most remote corners of our planet. This rotating population highlights a unique feature: an ATM located at McMurdo Station, the continent's largest research center. Managed by Wells Fargo and dispensing dollars, this ATM assumes vital importance during the brutal winter months when only about 200 individuals remain at the station. In these freezing conditions, the ATM becomes a lifeline for scientists and support staff alike. It provides them with essential cash for purchasing necessities from the station store, sending mail, or enjoying a drink at the local bar. Maintaining this solitary cash dispenser poses significant challenges. Technicians are flown in every 2 years to service and update the machine, undergoing rigorous psychological and physical evaluations to ensure they can cope with the isolation and extreme weather, which could strand them due to sudden storms. But the challenges don't end there. Imagine if the ATM were to malfunction between these visits. McMurdo personnel are trained to perform basic repairs to keep it operational. Furthermore, an additional ATM is stationed on site, ensuring that access to cash remains essential for everyday survival, even in one of the world's most isolated locations. The sea anemones. In 2010, a groundbreaking geological drilling project in Antarctica revealed a stunning surprise beneath the ice. Utilizing a robotic camera, scientists uncovered minuscule sea anemones, each no larger than an inch, clinging upside down within the ice. The burrowing ghost anemones extend 20 to 24 tentacles downward into the icy waters below, an unusual adaptation never before observed in nature. Researchers are now diligently investigating how these resilient anemones obtain food and thrive in such extreme conditions. Further exploration in the Scotia Sea north of Antarctica yielded another astonishing revelation in 2019. Researchers unearthed ancient DNA within sediment cores extracted from the seafloor. This particular DNA originates from diatoms, tiny marine organisms, and it boasts an incredible age of 1 million years. Notably, this discovery sets a new record as the oldest DNA ever recovered, surpassing the previous milestone set by Arctic permafrost samples by 350 years. Discoveries like these are crucial for deepening our understanding of Earth's past climates and ecosystems spanning millennia. Subscribers pick. Joe Rogan, the renowned comedian and podcast host, has always been known for his bold and unconventional conversations. On an episode of The Joe Rogan Experience, he delved into the mystique of Antarctica, sparking intrigue and curiosity among his listeners. Rogan's fascination with the frozen continent was palpable as he explored its harsh environment and the remarkable wildlife that thrives in such extreme conditions. He marveled at the penguins, seals, and krill that call Antarctica home, despite the unforgiving temperatures and winds. This prompted him to consider the potential for extraterrestrial life, questioning whether the adaptability of these creatures could serve as evidence of life's resilience throughout the universe. But that's not all. A drone recently flew over the ice wall of Antarctica and captured the most shocking footage ever, leaving Rogan and his audience speechless. The footage revealed secrets that have been hidden beneath the ice for centuries, sparking even more questions about the continent's mysterious past. The conversation took a captivating turn when Rogan shifted his focus to the theories surrounding ancient civilizations in Antarctica. He spoke about the alleged existence of extraterrestrial beings that might have inhabited the continent in the distant past, leaving behind remnants of their presence. While these claims are often met with skepticism, Rogan's enthusiasm and genuine interest in the subject matter were evident. As the discussion progressed, Rogan touched on the alleged government cover-ups and secrecy surrounding Antarctica. He questioned the motives behind the intense scientific interest in the continent and the potential for hidden discoveries that could challenge our understanding of human history. Rogan's curiosity was palpable, leaving listeners wondering what secrets might lie beneath the icy surface. The discussion highlighted Rogan's skill in blending humor and curiosity, effectively making intricate subjects approachable and compelling. His openness to delve into unconventional ideas and theories has transformed his podcast into a focal point for stimulating conversations. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think Antarctica holds secrets of an ancient civilization or extraterrestrial life? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below. Can Antarctica's icy veil conceal more than we imagine? Share your thoughts. Beneath the frozen veil. In 2014, teams from United Kingdom universities and the British Antarctic Survey conducted a groundbreaking expedition beneath West Antarctica's Filchner-Ronne ice shelf. Using radar on planes and satellite imagery, they uncovered colossal tunnels under the ice, reaching heights of up to 820 feet that are almost as tall as the Eiffel Tower. This discovery overturned previous ideas about how meltwater is distributed, revealing intricate river-like channels within the frozen terrain. These findings revolutionized our understanding of how ice behaves and its significant implications for global ocean systems. Yet the expedition's findings did not end there. Embedded within the ancient ice, perfectly preserved, was a frozen relic, a fossil of Ball's Antarctic tundra beetle, dating back to the mid-Miocene epoch, approximately 14 to 20 million years ago. This discovery offered a glimpse into a bygone era when Antarctica teemed with vibrant life, starkly contrasting its icy visage today. Surrounding the beetle's fossil were remnants of southern beech trees, buttercups, and mosses, painting a vivid portrait of a verdant and thriving Antarctic landscape long past. Antarctica continues to yield surprises from its frozen depths. Recently, a cache of century-old photographs preserved in ice within an explorer's hut used by Captain Robert Falcon Scott during his historic expedition resurfaced thanks to the diligent efforts of New Zealand's Antarctic Heritage Trust. These haunting images narrate tales of endurance and exploration, offering poignant reminders of a forgotten era. Amidst these frozen relics, as Antarctica's icy veil slowly thaws, new revelations emerge, reshaping our perceptions of this enigmatic realm. An enigmatic photograph depicting a creature with 4 limbs and a tail embedded in the ice sparked heated debate, challenging observers to discern whether it represented a new species or merely an unusual geological formation. Such discoveries provoke speculation about the unseen wonders still concealed beneath Antarctica's frozen expanse. Further intriguing discoveries include remnants of Pelagornithidae, ancient birds whose beaks sported serrated edges, enabling them to hunt slippery fish and squid while soaring over ancient seas some 50 million years ago. Their presence, shortly after the demise of the dinosaurs, hints at their potential role in reshaping Antarctica's evolving ecosystems, raising questions about their influence on subsequent species diversification and the broader ecological landscape. Belgica antarctica. Belgica antarctica, also known as the Antarctic midge, demonstrates the ability of life to thrive and adapt in Earth's most extreme environments. At a diminutive 2 to 6 millimeters in length, it holds the distinction of being the largest purely terrestrial animal native to Antarctica. What makes this insect particularly remarkable is its ability to survive year-round in one of the coldest, windiest, and driest places on the planet. Discovered during the Belgian Antarctic expedition of 1879 to 1899 by Adrian de Gerlache, the Antarctic midge was first identified by Romanian biologist Emil Racoviță. Among the expedition's scientific achievements was the collection of specimens from various Antarctic locales, including a flightless midge and its larvae. Jean-Charles Jacobs, a Belgian doctor and entomologist, meticulously studied these specimens and formally described Belgica antarctica. The genus and species name honors the expedition's sturdy yacht, the SY Belgica, and the Antarctic location where the midge was initially found, the Belgian Strait, now known as Gerlach Strait. Survival in Antarctica's extreme conditions demands extraordinary adaptations. Despite local temperatures that can plummet to minus 40 degrees Celsius, the Antarctic midge cannot survive if temperatures dip below minus 15 degrees Celsius. However, by burrowing just 1 centimeter beneath the surface, where temperatures remain stable between 0 and minus 2 degrees Celsius for most of the year, the midge circumvents lethal cold snaps. This stable microenvironment, insulated by layers of ice and snow cover, provides crucial thermal buffering against the continent's harsh climate. Furthermore, the midge enhances its freezing tolerance through a process known as cold hardening, where exposure to progressively colder temperatures primes its physiology to withstand freezing conditions. Key to its survival strategy are specialized compounds like trehalose, glucose, and erythritol, which accumulate within the midge's body. These substances act as cryoprotectants, reducing the formation of ice crystals within cells and stabilizing proteins and cellular membranes. Hydrogen bonds formed between these compounds and cellular structures enhance their protective effects, crucial for surviving Antarctica's freezing temperatures. Additionally, heat shock proteins play a vital role in safeguarding the midge's cellular machinery from the stresses of extreme temperatures, ensuring its physiological integrity across a wide range of environmental conditions. Intriguingly, Belgica antarctica doesn't just survive in cold temperatures. It thrives in freezing climates. Exposure to even mild temperatures around 10 degrees Celsius can prove fatal to its larvae within a week, underscoring its specialization for Antarctic conditions. Conversely, extreme heat, such as exposure to temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius, can swiftly lead to mortality within a few hours. Remarkably, the midge exhibits some resilience to partial desiccation, capable of surviving substantial water loss of up to 70% of its body mass. The study of Belgica antarctica extends beyond its physiological adaptations. It offers insights into the broader field of extremophile biology and astrobiology. Its ability to thrive in one of the most hostile environments on Earth raises intriguing questions about the limits of life and the potential for similar adaptations on other icy planets and moons in our solar system. Turning our attention to some of Antarctica's lesser-known residents, one notable example is the commonly referred to as the Antarctic scale worm. This creature, growing up to a foot in length, is known for its shiny scales that provide camouflage on the rocky seabed. Its segmented and highly flexible body allows it to maneuver through narrow underwater crevices. Equipped with powerful jaws and sharp teeth on its head, the scale worm proves itself a formidable predator in the icy waters. Despite the freezing temperatures, the Antarctic scale worm thrives, thanks to its robust muscles that anchor it against strong underwater currents. As a skilled hunter in the rugged underwater terrain, it exemplifies how life not only survives, but adapts and flourishes in some of Earth's most extreme conditions. giant isopod. In the depths of the Antarctic oceans reside the formidable giant isopods, creatures that belong to the genus Bathynomus, encompassing nearly 20 distinct species. Among them, Bathynomus giganteus is notable as a titan, frequently recognized as the largest of its kind worldwide, although other members such as B. kenslei also contend for similar stature. These marine giants share a remarkable resemblance to their smaller terrestrial relatives, the common woodlouse. Scientific interest in these deep-sea creatures began in 1879 when French zoologist Alphonse Milne Edwards first described the genus. His discovery of a young male giganteus from the Gulf of Mexico, provided by his colleague Alexander Agassiz, marked a pivotal moment. This revelation was groundbreaking, occurring at a time when researchers such as Sir Charles Wyville Thomson were just beginning to refute the idea of a lifeless abyssal ocean. Despite their considerable size, which ranges from 8 to 50 centimeters across different species, giant isopods are mostly overlooked by commercial fisheries. However, they have become known for occasionally attacking fish caught in trawling nets. Some of these creatures, captured off the coasts of the Americas and Japan, end up in public aquariums where they fascinate visitors with their peculiar appearance and behaviors. These creatures exemplify the phenomenon known as deep-sea gigantism, akin to the giant squid, defying the typical dimensions of their crustacean relatives that seldom exceed 5 centimeters. Structurally, they sport a dorsal-ventrally compressed body encased in a rigid, calcareous exoskeleton, segmented like their terrestrial counterparts. They can defensively curl into a protective ball, showcasing only their tough outer shell to ward off predators, much like woodlice on land. Their distinctive features include compound eyes with thousands of facets, sessile and widely spaced on their heads, and 2 pairs of antennae. Their thoracic legs, arranged in 7 pairs, include specialized maxillopads used for manipulating food. Abdominally, they possess pleonites and Biramus pleopods adapted for swimming and respiration, complemented by flat gill-like structures known as rami. While these isopods generally share a similar appearance, discerning eyes can spot variations in their morphological traits, such as the number and curvature of spines on their tails, the structure of their uropods, and the form of their periopods. These distinguishing features contribute to the scientific classification and understanding of these enigmatic deep-sea giants. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.